What do we mean by preaching power? Well, power monitoring is our soapbox. We have strong convictions about power monitoring because we have witnessed its effectiveness in production manufacturing for over 25 years. But today, TechnaTool has made its large machine power monitoring solutions available to all types of industrial motor applications through the TechnaGuard. Motors run pumps, conveyors, indexing, grinders, pulverizers, cranes, hoists, and fans, among others. Take a pump motor for instance. The problem TechnaGuard solves is pump failure. Motors fail because of dry running, no prime, cavitation, overload, impeller jamming, bearing failure, and deadheading, resulting in downtime and expensive replacements. The solution is TechnaGuard. By learning and monitoring the motor's healthy power cycle, the TechnaGuard knows and reports that there is trouble before failure hits. Alternatives to power monitoring have existed for a long time, but with much lower effectiveness. Motor temperature and vibration monitors are monitoring secondary symptoms. The motor is shaking and boiling hot because it's already in the process of mechanical failure. Measuring current and power factor are inferior methods because of math. They are inaccurate methods because both are monitoring on the curve. Power is a linear measurement, and thus it is the most accurate method at every stage of the power cycle. Power listens to the heart of the motor. The TechnaGuard eliminates the need for excessive physical inspections and alerts maintenance teams of issues predictively, avoiding costly reactive maintenance and downtime. If it feels like we're preaching at you, we are. But we're preaching power monitoring for your own good and the good of your motor. More information on TechnaGuard can be found at techna-tool.com.